In today's fast-paced world, where entrepreneurship is thriving and people are increasingly looking for flexible, profitable opportunities, one solution is quietly transforming the small business landscape: a compact, intelligent, and highly efficient multi-purpose packing machine. At the heart of this transformation is a piece of equipment that blends cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it possible for you, even with minimal technical knowledge, to launch a profitable product packaging business right from the comfort of your own home, garage, or a small workshop. In this video, we will talk in detail about: where can you get this machine from? How much does the machine cost? What all you need to start the business? What all products you can pack and sell? How much profit can you earn? What challenges can you face? A game changer in the world of small-scale packaging. This isn't just another machine. It's a thoughtfully engineered solution that addresses the core needs of modern micro-entrepreneurs. Designed with vibration-cutting technology, it ensures that even the most delicate of materials are handled gently. There is no risk of crushing, tearing, or damaging items like potato chips, dry fruits, or fragile granules, something that older conventional machines often fail to manage. With a slanted hopper design, material jams are now a thing of the past. Whether you're working with fine powders like turmeric and detergent, or loose materials like rice and popcorn, the flow of materials remains smooth and uninterrupted. This unique design ensures the machine runs consistently, efficiently, and without unnecessary downtime, saving both time and frustration. You can buy this machine from Alibaba or AliExpress through the links given at the end of this video. Different varieties of this machine cost between 200 to 1,000 US dollars, but keep in mind the shipping and delivery charges. To some countries, the shipping charges can be more than the price of machine itself. Precision and performance. You can trust accuracy is crucial in packaging, not just to maintain brand consistency, but also to avoid product loss. This machine shines with its precision weighing system, delivering consistency with an accuracy of plus or minus 3 grams. That means your customers get exactly what they expect, every time. No more, no less. Whether you're filling 50 grams of mixed nuts or 200 grams of powdered detergent, the result is always precise and professional. Its versatile sealing options, including both back sealing and three-side sealing, provide flexibility in packaging aesthetics and integrity. This adaptability ensures your product looks polished and shelf-ready, regardless of what you're selling. And when it comes to productivity, the numbers speak for themselves. This compact workhorse delivers an output of 5 to 10 bags per minute, depending on material type and weight. For a one-person operation, that's a remarkably efficient rate, making it ideal for both part-time side hustlers and aspiring full-time entrepreneurs. The machine's versatility is one of its strongest features. It can be used to pack a wide variety of items, including but not limited to grains like rice, wheat and lentils, spices and powdered condiments, dry fruits such as dates, almonds, and raisins, processed snacks like potato chips, popcorn and jelly sugar, salt, tea, and coffee detergent powder, and other granular household products. Whether you're targeting household consumers, local grocery stores, or small retailers, the range of materials this machine can handle allows for dozens of product lines, all from the same machine, from bulk to brand. Launching your own product line. One of the most powerful aspects of this packing machine is its ability to turn bulk purchase goods into retail-ready branded products. You can easily source items like pulses, spices, or snacks in bulk from wholesalers or local markets at a low cost. Using this machine, you can then repack them into consumer-sized packets and sell them to neighborhood stores, online platforms, or directly to end customers. With the option to use custom-printed wrappers, you can establish your own brand identity. From logo design to attractive color schemes, your product can now compete on the same shelves as established names, all while offering the advantage of freshness, affordability, and local support. This machine empowers you to become not just a seller, but a brand owner. Ease of use and operation. Despite its professional-grade features, this packing machine is remarkably simple to operate. It's designed with user-friendly controls and requires only one person to manage the entire process, from feeding materials to sealing the final packet. It doesn't require any complex installation or technical maintenance. Once set up, daily operation becomes routine, making it ideal for housewives looking to earn from home, retirees seeking a productive hobby, young entrepreneurs exploring their first business venture, workers looking to start a weekend side hustle. In short, it's a business that runs on your schedule, offering both flexibility and growth potential. Low investment, high return. One of the biggest challenges for aspiring entrepreneurs is the initial capital investment. Fortunately, this packing machine offers a low-cost entry into a high-demand industry. By keeping overheads minimal, requiring just one operator, minimal space, and bulk source materials, you can quickly recover your investment and start seeing profits within a matter of months. With consistent sales, reliable packaging, and appealing branding, the margins are healthy and scalable. Let's break it down with an example. Buy 100 kilograms of loose pulses for a low wholesale rate. Use the machine to pack them into 500-gram pouches. Sell each pouch at a reasonable markup to local stores. Reinvest profits into branding, additional wrappers, or even other product lines. This cycle builds momentum and cash flow, the two pillars of a sustainable business. A stepping stone to bigger opportunities. While this machine is perfect for starting small, it's also scalable. As demand grows, you can introduce new product lines, e.g. mixed snacks, spices, combo packs, upgrade to higher speed machines or automated lines, hire additional labor to expand operations, supply larger stores or wholesale customers. It's more than just a machine, it's a gateway to long-term business development. The only challenge you can face is to find market for your product. If you want to start a business, first you should identify the target market and the product which is consumed more in the area. You should go for the products which has greater demand in your particular area. A business with purpose. In addition to its commercial benefits, this machine contributes to local economies by supporting microenterprises. It encourages self-reliance, local production, and economic resilience, key elements in today's uncertain global economy. Whether you're an individual looking to break free from the 9-to-5 routine or a family seeking extra income, this machine offers a way to build something meaningful, a business that grows with you and because of you. The beauty of this packing machine lies in its simplicity, versatility, and reliability. It's a compact tool that enables anyone, regardless of age, experience, or background, to take control of their financial future. With one machine, one operator, and one idea, you can build a brand, supply local businesses, and generate consistent income, all while working at your own pace. Whether you envision it as a side business or the first step toward a full-fledged enterprise, this packing machine is more than equipment. It's a pathway to independence, creativity, and profit.